Hello beautiful people, and welcome to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Everything that I used in this video will be listed down below. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss whenever I post another video. It also will help with the engagement on my channel, as well as building my community. And if you want to see how I created this beautiful look, just continue watching the next clip of the video. So I wasn't going to record this video today because I had another video idea in mind, but this look is just too cute to let it go away, to let it go to waste. So I'm just going to show you guys on this side, and let me find a little hair clip to pin that to the side. And the palette that I'm going to be using for this look is this NYX Ultimate Battle Plan. This is the Home Alone edition palette, and the first shade that well, before I go in with that, I'm gonna make sure I blend out that concealer so I don't have a harsh line. The first shade I'm gonna go in with is this purple shade right here, and it did say that the shades with the red around it are are face pigments and not for the eyes. So this one, and this one is for the face, but I use this one for the eyes, and as you can see, it's given. So I'm gonna stamp that in the outer corner, and it's very pigmented. And I'm gonna bring that all the way to the front. And as you can see, I didn't have to go in there again, and it covered up that whole thing, just as bold as it did the first time. And I'm gonna go in with just a little bit more in the outer corner, and then whatever's remaining, do the same thing, bring it forward. For the second shade, I'm gonna go in with this tan shade right here. And I love how this palette is. I know I said it in a video when I did the haul for it, how they have the broken ornaments, and then they have the little paint cans in there. I think that is so cute. NYX palettes never disappoint me. I never bought a NYX palette that I didn't like. And I'm just stamping that color in and then blending out the two shades together. Stamping it in first and then lightly blending it out. And this is just to help to get rid of the harsh line for that purple. You also can go in with that transition color first if you want to, but lately I've just been liking how everything looks when you go in with it afterwards. Whatever is remaining from that purple is what I go back in on that part, and then blend out a little more, and there we have it. Now I'm gonna do cut crease. And I'm just using some concealer from the little pot instead of using a concealer like this, because I didn't need as much. So I'm applying that color a little above my natural crease. And as I'm applying it, I'm filling in the area. You shouldn't need more on the brush than what you have on there, but if you do, just do a little bit at a time if you have to go back in. For that outer corner, without applying any of that purple onto the brush, kind of like fade that concealer into that purple just a little bit like that. Go back in to that tan shade just a little bit, only to get rid of that harshness a little. Now we're going to go in with this shimmer right here. It's like a pinkish shimmer, and everywhere else that concealer is, that's where you're going to apply that. You can use your finger if you want. And then I'm also going to go over just a little bit that pinkish color as well as a little bit of that purple. And then, oops, add just a little more. Just like that. And there you have it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. I wish I could have recorded it from beginning to end, but let me know if you guys would like to see the full thing of that, just with different colors obviously, and I will have that video out for you guys. Also comment down below which eye colors do you think I'll be using next.